Hi traders, this is Mike with FXBattleground.com. Let's go over this British pound US dollar trade that was highlighted yesterday in the evening. Overnight it did trade back up into the area that we highlighted, the declining 20 MA. This is on the hourly, and between these two green lines here, we call this the battleground area that it had to get through, minor resistance. And at 11 p.m. I believe the bar was that put in this topping tail pin bar, and we entered on the close of this bar with a stop a few pips above the topping tail, and the stop was challenged, but the 20 MA held, and we got a nice sell-off with this small bar. The sell-off was about a 2.5 Rs, 2.5 to 1 risk reward down in this area, and a trailing stop took us out close to here because this really was the target. Especially since we did note that on the weekly the 20 MA is very close, so this is not the kind of trade that we're going to take on an hourly chart and try to hold for that 300 pips. So we got what we wanted. We got a nice little reaction in the area that we wanted it from, and we got a nice profit from that, and we're out. And now the bounce back up remains to be seen what will happen, but this is a pretty strong bounce after this move. So what we'd like to see now is at least move through this bottom before we think about shorting again. To go long, we'd have to see quite a bit actually to get up well above this trend line and back probably above the 20 MA at this point. In fact, another challenge of the 20 would be something to think about as another short. But we do have the weekly to worry about. So the weekly, we just want to see how this resolves. It's in an area that it could go really either way. If we do get a bar that closes down below the weekly in this area, then we will be looking back to the daily to try to find an entry to get short and hold it to the bottom of this swing low. This would be a nice swing trade on the daily if it does set up, and that would be a nice way to end the year with the cable. So this is Mike with FXBattleground.com.